Hi guys, fellow YouTubers. I want to show you guys that you didn't see last time. I want to show you guys the soccer pitch. Let's go. My God, they have also high grass. Back in the day, they used to cut grass. I don't know what it's called in English, but we called it in Swedish lia. Type down in the comments what that's called in English. Here we go, here's the soccer pitch. Back in the day, they used to play in the gravel, in the mud. Back in the distance is the grass, bleachers, and a clubhouse. The last video I did, the abandoned farmhouse. We didn't see the other side. I want to show you guys that. I like to do YouTube videos. Normally I don't film in my iPhone. The phone that I have in the pocket right now, it works, but the video got cut out. I don't know why. And the situation is, for me, I'm staying here the entire summer month. I found out that I have been relocated the first weekend in August to Godby. That will be fun. Then after that I go to my place in the city. Don't know where I'm going, but yeah. You have to see my next video when I do that. There's the other side of the hockey pitch. The highlights doesn't show that, but there's a clubhouse. And this is the other side of the abandoned farmhouse that I did for you guys. Did you like that video, by the way? If you didn't watch that video, please watch. I want to say to you guys, you can like the video, share the video, and subscribe. Turn your phone this way and scroll down to the red button, push it, and turn the notification symbol on. Let's see, this is the other side, and this used to be a net rond here. You can throw discus and see what else I have in store for you guys. Sorry that I'm coughing and don't have water. I want to show you guys this, I don't know that you know. That I want to show you a couple things that I don't know about. Then this I know about. I know this called in English bowling. Here we call it bull. Here's some workers. Something like this. You guys know what this is. I don't know if it's for fishing or something else. I don't know. You can leave that in the comment section. So, yeah, it is fun to walk around this. I took this road from the abandoned house down here. I will show you guys this. I don't know that you see this in the videos that I made before. Did you see my AWACS video? My A-channel video, by the way. Was that fun to see? I want to show you guys this. Oh, I thought I heard something. It was the leaf in the wind. Sometimes we get animals around here. I don't know. We don't have a boar. Here, but we have elk, moose, snakes. If you guys like snakes, I don't know. Tell me that in the comment section. I want to show you guys this, but I don't know that you know what that is, okay? Here's a couple of cars. Some. See? This is a storage unit. We store anything in here. Like vintage cars, boats, clothes, and toys. You can see for the distance a couple of boats. We are walking. It is fun, guys, to see something else than my older videos. If you want to watch them, go right ahead. See, this is fun. to do a playhouse for the kids. We are walking near to the boats. I want to show you around this place before I go back. See, there's the boats. Some containers. That is over there. Used to be a walking gate for the ferries. Normally, I don't want to show you my room in the moment. Yeah, Daddy can give the rules to film, but I can do TikTok and filming. Outside. Look. Some are regular boats, like this one. That is our old fishing boat. And see, yeah, all with motors. What do you guys think? Huh? Do you like this? You can like, share this video. There's the crane lift. I have something of the other side of the guys. This will be perhaps fun to see. That is a trailer for perhaps driving firewood and so on. This is a truck. I don't know which company. I don't want to film the logo. If no logo on them, good. Did you know, guys, back in the good old days, in the Viking era, you used to bury the chieftain in the boat. If you see this in a historical place, perhaps a Viking grave, I don't know what that's called, guys. You can comment what that is, okay? That is a museum. I don't know if it's open today or not. This is the back. We have a couple of storage areas, like this one. I don't know if they are building here. Perhaps a new one, I don't know. Some cars, boats. There's a forklift from the 1930s. Here is the other storage areas. There is something outside, yeah. Boats, some lumber, and so on. There's a boat over there. Yeah, I want to forward this to the guys, other YouTubers. There's the walking gate. This is a long one. Long area. With multi storage space. What do you think? Do they need to cut grass? Some pellets. Did you see that guy, the machine, back in the distance? What's that machine called? I don't know. Something with mining to do. I don't know what that is, but I'm gonna show you that in the distance. What's that called? And what I say to you guys right now is like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.